we had several meetings with the commissioner, with the mayor, and all the terms were sort of mutually agreed upon. This was in 21-22. In 23, out of a sudden, just suddenly, they have issued us notice saying that calling us illegal occupants. And in 23, the hearing started in front of the estate officer, and in 24, we were issued eviction notice. So the issue is that from being part of the municipality from 1975, paying all the rent, having meetings, various discussions, being called for the reconstruction of the building as legal occupants, suddenly we have been termed as illegal occupants and issued eviction notice by not considering all these factors. So when the eviction order was issued by the estate officer, we naturally had to go to the court. And the court now, after hearing us for a year, has passed the order that the matter be remanded back to the estate officer because the procedure that the estate officer followed was not correct.
And up-to-date trade license that is existing. कळ्ळें तुका तुम्ही रिन्यू केला आम्ही रिन्यू करून आम्ही रिन्यू केले तुम्ही आमकां मान्य करून दिला न्ही सो दुसऱ्या वाटेन तुम्ही आमकां इलिगल ओकुपंट म्हणटात हे खंयच्या हातून बसतात ते म्हाका दीज आर टू कॉन्ट्राडिक्टरी स्टेटमेंट्स एका वाटेन तुम्ही आमकां इलिगल ओकुपंट म्हणटा आनी दुसऱ्या वाटेन तुम्ही आमचे ट्रेड लायसन्स आनी ऑक्युपेशन लायसन्स तुम्ही सगळे रिन्यू करतात कळ्ळें न्ही आनीक ताणें मिस्टर जिमान म्हणल्या प्रमाणे की आमी खंयच्याच स्टेजीचेर जेन्ना आमच्यो मिटिंगे ज्यो पळय तुगेल्यो म्युन्सिपाल्टी कडेन जाल्यो म्युन्सिपाल्टी आपयले तेन्ना आमी खंयच तांकां ओपोज करूंक ना बाबा ना तुमगेले रिडेव्हलपमेंट आमचें कन्सर्न अशें आमी खंयच म्हणूंक ना.